Hello there, boys and girls. I thought I'd come outside in my backyard and go on a nature walk like the way you were assigned in your science portion of your assignment for Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're looking for living and non-living. I have this plant here. Would this be living or non-living? This is living. I have this stone here. Would the stone be living or non-living? Well, it doesn't need water to survive, so it's non-living. I have a frog, but it's not a real frog. It's a planter. It's made out of clay. Does the frog need water to survive? Nope. So it's non-living. But what about the plant inside it? If I stopped watering that plant inside it, it would die. So that plant is living. Let's see. Oh, here's a big rock over here. See this rock? Does it need water or food? Sunlight? Nope. So it's non-living. Whoa! There's Ruby, my dog. If I stopped feeding Ruby, would she survive? Nope. So she is living. She also needs shelter. Now look this. Look at this. This is a hummingbird feeder. It's meant to feed living things, but the hummingbird feeder itself is non-living. The tree is living. And earlier there were some bumblebees. Yep, there's a bumblebee. Remember I told you I had some honeybees? Gathering nectar for its queen. The honeybee is living. And so is this plant. It's living. Let's see what else I can find. Lots of rocks. Whoa. Look at this. A skull. It's bone. It was living at one time, but now it is non-living. Oh, there goes Ruby again. So it is now non-living. Look at that little fly. Ooh, there's lots of flies on this hummingbird feeder. They're all living, but the feeder is non-living. Those boats are non-living because they don't need anything to survive. Let me go around, see what else I can find here. Because that's what a nature walk's all about. Looking all around you. Here's my swing. A swing is non-living. Let me get on my swing so that I could find some living things and non-living things. Oh, a bird feeder. Non-living. Here's my son's garden. Eggplant. It's living right now, but as soon as I pick it, it'll be non-living. Chiles, yum yum. They're living right now on the plant. But when I pick it, it'll be non-living. This lantern, non-living. Now I have to go back inside, make a T-chart, and either list the things that I found that were living and non-living, or draw a picture of the things that I found that were living and non-living. All right, thank you to those that have already turned in your assignment. Bye-bye.